So hope you have followed the video so far, and now we have got the initial code base available in our skeleton, and we have imported in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's proceed with the next step. Let us see what is the next step. We are going to define a user model on the branch define model. This branch is for GitHub branch. Okay, so let us do that. So here you can see that I am already in the Spring Data JPA demo directory. Okay, so what I do is I do a get status first. There is nothing to commit. Okay, let me check out create and check out to a branch called define model. Okay, switch to a new branch define model. So now we are, if I say git branch, then it's going to say define model. Okay, so this branch I'm going to use for defining the model. Okay, so let me see. So let us create a new package. Okay, you click on this com dot whatever group ID you have given, and you click on new, then package. Okay, now you enter the name of the package. Since we are going to define model, let us give the package name as model. Remember that package name generally starts with small case and it's singular. Okay, you click on OK. Now one thing to note here is that you don't create your package in this Java folder, rather you create your package in this com dot whatever group ID you have given. Okay, now in the model we define a simple user class. Okay, now let us give some properties or fields to this particular class. So what we can do is private string first name, secondly private string last name. Okay, so we have given first name and last name. Now we find this user to be persisted in our relational database. Okay, so it is going to require some kind of primary key. Okay, so let us use a ID as the primary key. Private, let's give it a data type as long, private long ID. Okay, now this is a simple POSIX class. Now since all of these are private, definitely to create some values or to create an instance of user, we are going to require something called as constructor. Okay, so let's try to generate a constructor. Now if you are using IntelliJ IDEA or whatever version you are using, you can auto create a constructor. You simply go to code, then you search for that should be something like generate over there. Yeah, here it is, generate. Okay, you click on generate, this dialog pops up, you click on constructor. Now we want a constructor of all the properties, so press Ctrl A and then you click on OK. So here is our constructor that has been generated. Similarly, you can generate getters and setters. If you are using Mac, you can simply press Command N and this same window pops up. You create getter and setter, you select all of them, press OK. Here we have got our getters and setters, get ID, set ID, get first name, etc. Now you can also, for debugging purpose, suppose you want to print the user class object with its various properties values, so you generate a toString also. How we do that? Similarly, generate toString, select all, toString has been generated. Okay, now here is our model. Okay, so we have generated. Okay, now this is as far as generating the model is concerned. Okay, here we can stop.